Hello, welcome. So I recently did a full face of Essence makeup, and I did mention in that I was dying to get hold of their new like bow range. It's called Fabowlous, but with bow in the middle. And yeah, I managed to get hold of it. So I got the only thing I didn't get was the nail stickers and the highlighter, because I could not get hold of that anywhere. But I got the loose powder, cute. I also got the eyeshadow topper. I'm just going to plonk it on my eyes today just as an eyeshadow. I got hold of the little jelly lipstick. I think it's like one of those pH ones. And also the lip beautifier, they call it. It's basically a sparkly lip topper. They all look absolutely stunning and right up my street. I absolutely love bows. So I haven't got much to do because I've only got these 4 things. I thought we'd focus on these today. So I've already done my foundation and bronzer. I haven't done my blush yet because obviously I have the powder, so I want to do this first. So the packaging is absolutely adorable. This bow is like an acrylic bow that's on the top there. And then if we open it up, we've also got a little puff here with the most adorable satin bow on. And then the powder's in here. So it's like a pinky powder. Can you see? I'll take this off in a minute so it doesn't come out. But it's like a pinky powder. It looks a bit peach on the camera. I think it does anyway. Sometimes I say that and when I'm editing, I see it actually doesn't. But it is quite pink. So nice and brightening for the under eyes. I do like a pink under eye. Not purple, pink. So we'll do the concealer now as well, because I haven't done that yet either. I got these on Luxe Plus. It's the only place I could get hold of them. Well, they have them on, it's called Boozy Shop. But to be honest with you, I think it's a German company and the shipping is quite a lot with them. Luxe Plus, I think, is abroad somewhere, like in Europe. But the shipping was only £2.99, so that's fine. And I get a lot of Essence makeup from Notino as well. I get most of it from them, to be honest, but they didn't have it in. I find that they're the best places. So I'm just going to pop, I don't put a lot on, just that much. Take my brush and we'll just blend that in. Still loving this concealer. It's the Revolution Skin Silk one, by the way. Right, so that's the concealer done. I haven't done this side because I thought we'd compare. So on that one, then we'll go in with the powder. So I think we'll use the puff actually that comes with it. So I'm going to tap a little bit into, oh, that's quite a lot actually. Tap a bit into the lid. And then we'll take the adorable little puff and pick up a little bit. So I've got about that much, but I'm going to tap a lot of, I'm going to tap a lot of that off onto my arm as always. So I've just got that much left now. Then I like to wrap it around my finger. I do normally use a puff on my for my powder anyway. It's actually really nice. So that's what it looks like with, it's really nice and fine. It's very finely milled, which I like. It doesn't look dry or cakey. It just looks really nice and smooth. So without, so no concealer or powder, and with. I think that's really pretty. I'm going to pop a little bit on my T-zone as well, which I don't normally do, to be honest. I do sometimes. Depends how sweaty I am. So same method. And then we'll pop a bit on my nose. Oh, smells nice. I just got a whiff of it then. Yeah, it's got a very light, like extremely light floral scent to it. So nothing too overpowering. Well, it's nice on my nose, really nice and smooth. And then I'll pop a little bit, oh, I've got an itch. Pop a little bit in the centre of my forehead as well. Oh, look at that. It's really, really, well, it's a powder. It's going to be mattifying. What am I on about? But yeah, it's it looks nice. It looks smooth. Just pop a little bit here where I'm quite pory as well. Oh, wow. Yeah. That does look nice. Can you see the difference between that side and that side? That's a really nice little powder. It cost me, I'm sure it was only about £4, maybe £5, but not a lot anyway. Yeah, I like that a lot. Yeah, that's really nice actually. It looks lovely on the skin, not at all heavy or cakey, and not really an obvious powder looking look, if you know what I mean. It just looks nice and natural. I've just gone on with a little flush of blush, and I went on with the NYX Buttermelt blush in You Know Butter. I use that quite a lot. So next we're going to go on with eyes. I haven't primed them or anything because this is a gel topper. So I'm just going to whack this all over basically. But this is what the packaging looks like. Really cute, like rose gold lid. It's quite big actually. So yeah, sort of next to my hand. It's a decent size. And this is what it looks like. So pretty with this really nice pinky, metallic-y, glittery sort of, I don't know if it is metallic actually. No, not really. So it looks like that. It's really cute. Don't know if it's going to be that noticeable on my lid, but it'll just look a bit natural, I guess. Do you know what? I am actually going to put something on my lid because I just feel like, because my lids are quite pinky, it's not going to show up much. So I am just going to prime them. So I'm going on with my, this is one I use all the time, the Sigma Eye Primer. And I am just going to set it as well with this powder. And then we'll go over with the topper. Just a little bit of primer. And then I'm going to pop a bit of that loose powder over the top. I've got a little dry patch on my lid here. Perfect. So you're not going to see much there. It was just to blank out my lid basically. And then we're going to go in with the topper. I think I'm going to go in with my finger, you know. I'm going to take about that much, just like a gel consistency. And I'm just, oh wow, that's really pretty. I'm just going to pop it all over the lid. You really can't see it. I know it's a topper, but even as a topper over the top of another colour, I really don't think that will show up. There's just, it's very, all you can see is the shine from the gel, really. Let me try it with a brush and see if that works any better. So this is the brush I just used to do that powder. See, that seems to be working a bit better. I think the lights, they're not doing this any justice at all. See, that actually looks really nice, way better with a brush than the finger. Yeah, you get that kind of duochrome from it. I'll try and show you. I really hope you can see that. I'm going to try it in a natural light and pop a clip in as well. But it does look really pretty, like really nice, very duochrome. It's one of those ones where, depending on what light catches it, you can see it better. Really pretty. But yeah, the only thing I'll say is don't use your finger with this one. Use a brush, which normally for this kind of product I would say the opposite, but it seems to stick to your fingers more than when you're applying it to the lid, so maybe that's why it just didn't like transfer properly. And then for lips, we're going to go on with these two. I've got this liner. This is a Revolution one. It's one of the pout liners in Kiss Baby Pink. I'm just going to line my lips with that first. It's a really pretty shade, this one. I'm just going to use my finger just to blend it onto the lip slightly. And then we have this absolutely gorgeous little lipstick. It says lipstick on it. So a jelly lipstick. How cute is this? It is removable, by the way, if you don't want it on there. It's like on a elastic thing. I want to leave it on there though. So it's one of these, a bit like the NYX Click Stick, and then you have to click it to come up. So we've got a little amount there. And then let's go on. Oh, it feels really hydrating. Very, very similar to the NYX ones. Yeah, it changes colour slightly. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I love how it feels. It feels quite lip balmy, which I do like. But it's got a really nice little hint of pink. That's really nice. Lovely. Again, I can't remember how much this was, but I think it was about £4. Bargain. And then on top of that, we're going to go on with the lip beautifier. So this is like this. This is again like an acrylic bow on the top, but extremely cute again. So yeah, this one looks like this. Look at that. How absolutely stunning is that? It is so beautiful. It really is. But unlike a lot of this type of thing, I find that the glitter is just sprayed over the top. The glitter is actually in this as well. So look, do you know what, that would make a really nice highlighter. I've already put some on. Shall I try it? Let's try it with my finger. It does actually. Really nice. It's like a one of those glossy highlighters, but obviously you get that pinky sort of shift through. I know it's not a highlighter. It does look cute though. I'm just gonna kiss the back of my hand, just get rid of any excess, and then we'll go over with this. Oh, that feels nice as well. And it smells quite kind of florally. I love it. Again, I don't think the lights are doing it any justice at all. It's kind of washing out the glitter a bit, or the sparkle. It's not like full on glitter, it's more of a shimmer. But it looks really cute, really pretty. So here is the finished look, and yeah, it's really nice. I really like it. I know it's extremely natural, but that's kind of what it is. That is the collection anyway. So yeah, it does what it says on the tin, I guess. But the powder is so nice. It really is. For a, you know, I would say a budget powder, you know, an affordable brand powder. It is beautiful. Really nice. Love the lip combo. This is stunning. It feels amazing on the lips. I'm going to stick this in my handbag actually. This is really nice as a topper as well. I'm gutted that this isn't coming across on camera as nice as it does in real life, as well as the eyes actually. It's the same for the eyes. I think it's because obviously with the lights and everything, I've got like 4 lights around me, so it kind of disperses the glitter, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it doesn't come across fully on camera, but it is beautiful. Like the whole collection, lovely in itself, like to look at. Oh, I just had a massive coughing fit. That was fun. But no, the products in themselves are really nice as well. I do love Essence makeup anyway. I said that last time, and yeah, it is really lovely, especially for the price. So as always, I will link all the products shown in today's video in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes if I can find any as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you'd like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel, until then, thanks for watching. Bye.